this is Julie. Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair and how I use my wand curling iron to achieve beautiful and easy curls without the long process. So stick around. So you guys already know I always like to style my hair on clean hair every week. So this process is no different. I've already washed my hair. What you see me doing right now is just using my staples to moisturize and seal my hair. So that's what I'm doing. I only use the leave-in conditioner and some oil to seal in that moisture. And then after that, I'll be going in with my heat protectant before I blow dry my hair. So right now I'm just showing you the blow dryer I'll be using. It's the Remington Pro. I purchased that one from Walmart and I believe it was less than $30. Right now I'm just showing you the two attachments that came with the blow dryer. I got a diffuser and a concentrator, and that was it. Besides that, the blow dryer worked pretty well. It did what it was supposed to do, and yeah, I liked it. Another thing actually I like about the blow dryer is the different settings. There's a low, medium, and high, so that was nice. I ended up using the medium settings to blow dry my hair, and yeah, right now I'm just separating my hair into small sections. Then I'm going in with my heat protectant spray. That's the Tresemme one. I've been using that for a very long time. So far I've never really got any heat damage. Well, I guess because I don't really use heat on my hair like that. I think I use heat on my hair once or twice a year, and that's pretty much it. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I struggle to find the right angle and the right way to hold these tools on my own head than it is on someone else's head. So that was a little bit of a struggle for me here, trying to hold the brush and the blow dryer at the same times. You know, at the salon they make it look so easy because, you know, they're doing it on someone else's head, and I was trying to get that same effect and that same quality into my hair, but I guess that did not work out. But at least it came out okay, you know, good enough for me to curl my hair. That's all I needed. So here we are, and this is the final look. As you can see, my hair is not even. This is what happened when you cut your hair at home and you cut them one section at a time without comparing it to the other side. So eventually I realized that I kind of took too much from the right side, but it's okay. It's just hair, guys. It will grow back, you know. I don't really make a big deal out of it. So right now I'm just going to braid my hair up so I can get ready, and then I'll come back. Here we are. I am back. Face all done. About to get this hair looking cute. Yeah. So my hair looked really nice. That like that. I could have just worn it like that if I wanted to, but that's not the look I was going for. Okay guys, I'm just going to section my hair into 4 sections as usual, and we're going to start curling. I showed you the setting. I always use like the medium to low setting they have on there. I don't remember what it was. I think there's like 10 different settings on this curling iron, so that was pretty nice. I think I used the 300s. In the 300s. I didn't go any higher. In the beginning, as you can see, the previous one I did, the curls wasn't as tight as I wanted them to be, because again, I struggled. This is my second time using this curling iron, and I was struggling with the angle, like the right angle for me to hold my hair, the wand that's comfortable for me, and at the same time where I can use it, you know, properly, I guess. But yeah, eventually I got the hang of it, and I was able to get it right. There's a heat I don't know what it's called, like a glove that comes with the wand that you're supposed to wear. I couldn't find mine, so that's why I'm just using my hand. With the gloves kind of make it easier for you to hold the hair and not get burned, so that's nice. So yeah guys, this is what my hair is looking like. The only thing about using the curling wand is that the curls doesn't stay like this for the entire day. The curls kind of drop a little bit, which is nice. I like it because I get my hair looks fuller. But for some of you, if you like the tighter curl pattern, I guess that's not gonna be you have to apply, I guess, some type of mousse or something like that. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. Came out cute, love it. The back, I was telling you earlier, I did not do a great job on the back end, but everything else came out nice, and you can't really tell the difference. But yeah guys, I love that look. It's so nice. I'll try to see if I can put a picture of how my hair looked at the end of the day for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it if you like the video, comment, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.